Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting by opening contacts or phone contacts so you can act on a single entry. Once there, use the search bar to quickly locate the person. This avoids accidental deletions. Tap the contact to view details, make sure it's the correct entry, check phone numbers and email addresses. If it's linked profiles, note which card is primary. Now that the right contact is open, you're ready for the deletion controls in the next step. Tap Edit at the top right to enter editing mode. This exposes the delete contact option and prevents accidental taps. Scroll all the way to the bottom because delete contact is intentionally tucked there to avoid mistakes. Tap delete contact and you'll see a confirmation prompt. Confirm to permanently remove the card from your device and iCloud if syncing is enabled. Once done, contacts will update across devices. If multiple linked cards existed, repeat for each unwanted card to fully remove duplicates. After deleting, verify the contact is gone by searching contacts or checking iCloud. Calm so you know sync completed. If the name still appears, make sure contact syncing is enabled. Go to Settings Your Name iCloud and toggle contacts off then on. This forces a refresh. If that fails, try a quick device restart or sign out and back into iCloud. These steps resolve most sync conflicts. If you're worried, export a backup before mass deletions so you can restore any mistakenly removed contacts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.